So prospecting for listings in real estate is easy if you don't overcomplicate it and talk too much. So you could write this down. It's where, when, let's get together, okay? Don't have a bunch of mindless chit chat and this rapport building baloney that people who know nothing about sales are constantly telling us to do. It's about where are you moving to, when is the soonest moving day would ever be. If that's a reasonable amount of time, it's let's get together. What if it's out of ways? What if it's 8 months out? If you knew for certain that by waiting only 8 months that you'd be losing tens of thousands of dollars, and there's very few guarantees in real estate, but that probably is one of them. So if you knew you'd be losing a ton of money by waiting for no great reason, would you have to wait? Yes, we have to wait. Okay, when should I check back with you? Not what, would it be okay? Oh gosh, would it be okay if I called you back or sent you some stuff? Or, when should I check back with you? And then whatever they tell you, they why don't you give me a call in 4 months? Cut that in half, call them back in 2, because if you call them in 4 when they told you to, somebody else got to them first and it's already listed. So always follow up the same way. And then if they say, no, we wouldn't have to wait, then re-ask the original question. What is realistically, when is the soonest realistically that you could imagine moving day ever being? And if, in order to avoid losing a bunch of money, and then if that's soon enough, then let's get together and we teach you how to do that. So if any of this stuff makes sense to you, please give me a call at 480-385-8810, and let's see if Fearless Agent Coaching might be the secret to you getting rich in real estate. Go to fearlessagent.com and watch our free webinar. It's kind of a free test drive to see what our coaching would be like. Then give me a call and we'll just have a chat. And at the end of that, I will not be closing you. It'll be just to decide if Fearless Agent Coaching is right for you. If it's not, I'll let you know that. If you don't think it is, you let me know that. There's still other ways I could probably help you. And then listen to our podcast at fearlessagentpodcast.com. Learn a bunch of crazy jokes, and let's see if we can turn you into a fearless agent. Thanks.